Hey guys, for this video we're going to take a look at this Gerber dime multi-tool. Nice little guy, all closed up. It's only about 3 inches long. See, it has a bottle opener, little ring, key ring. We open it up. We have a pair of needle nose, regular pliers, and a wire cutter. Those are spring-loaded. Also here, little tweezers that come out the end. Have a package opener. Little knife. File will function as a Phillips screwdriver. A straight blade or slotted screwdriver. And a nifty little pair of scissors. There it is, the Gerber dime. Nice little multi-tool, carry in your pocket, your glove box, your tackle box, what have you. Thanks for watching.